Hello everyone, my name is Andika Pratama, and in this video I'm going to tell you about basic chords of playing guitar for beginner. So let's get started. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to learn 5 basic chords for beginner. There are A chord, E chord, D chord, G chord, and C chord. So before we start, I'll give you tips for making clean sound from your guitar. First, if you want to press your string or press your guitar string, use this area around here near with your fingernail. Don't use this area because the result is you will make unclean sound of your chord. And when you make a chord, focus to the fingers that use it, and for your unused finger, stay away from the fret because it could be distract the sound of your guitar. Okay, let's start from C major. For C major, you only need to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string like this. And now put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string like this. And the last one, put your index finger on the 1st fret of the 5th string like this. Okay, now let's strum it. Yeah, it sounds like that. And now we move to the E major. For E major, place your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string like this. Yeah. And put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string like this. And for your index finger, you only put it on the 1st fret of the 4th string like this. Okay, now let's strum it. Yeah? Okay, next we move to A major. For A major, it looks like 3 fingers in a row like this. So, first put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string like this, and then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string like this, and the last one, put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string like this. Yeah, it looks like this. Now it sounds like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, after we have done with C major, E major, and A major, so now next we move to the G major. For G major, it looks like this. Now we are using your pinky. Put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, and then put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and the last one, put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string like this. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, like this. Make sure your ring finger not touching the string. It could be make the sounds unclean. Let's play it. Alright. For the last, we move to the D major. For D major, it looks like this. The first one is use your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string like this, and then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the... Okay, for the last, we move to the D major. For D major, use your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string like this, and then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 6th string like this. And the last one, place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string like this. Okay, now let's strum it. Yeah, it sounds like that. Can you see that? Okay, we have finished all the basic chords. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, I have a message for you. If you want to learn playing guitar or you want to master the guitar, please keep practicing, keep learning, and never surrender. Yeah, every day, if you see your guitar, take it and play it. Okay, see you on the next project. Bye bye.